We've seen the Mahindra Be6, we've seen the XEV 90, we've driven both of them. We got to know that the base price of those vehicles is from 18.9 lakhs. And yesterday we also got to know about the pricing of the B6 being 26.9 lakhs for the top model and 30.5 lakhs for the XEV 90 for the top model. But today we're getting under the belly of the beast and taking a look at how these cutting-edge global EVs made by Mahindra actually get made. So we're at the Mahindra factory, and this is a plant tour of how these EVs are put together and how they come together in Mahindra's state-of-the-art facility. Let's take a look. Mahindra's cutting-edge electric vehicle factory, where innovation and precision meet to bring their latest BEVs, the B6 and the XEV 90, to life. In just 7 months, Mahindra has created a state-of-the-art facility that is setting new benchmarks in the world of electric mobility. Now, let's take a look at what you do get inside. This fully automated facility is a marvel of engineering, where every process is meticulously designed for precision and quality. My journey starts with the Mahindra's advanced paint facility. Now here, the B6 and the XEV 90 undergo a unique process, which also involves pixel painting. So while it is a state-of-the-art facility that allows you to dip the entire body in primer, do multiple coats of paint, and it's all automated. With pixel painting, what you do get is a very innovative way for Mahindra to actually paint specific panels in a different color to get that high gloss finish and to also ensure that it can actually be customizable while going into the future. Think of it like having a massive printer like what you do have in your office available on a production line that allows you to do a level of customization that we've not yet seen in the automotive space. In fact, Mahindra pointed it out that if they had to, they could actually even print individual customer names using this technology. Now that would be something to see when that does happen, but right now Mahindra has not made any promises on that front. But the overall process ensures that you've got a flawless finish with perfect symmetry every single time. Now moving on to the heart of the EV, which is the battery facility. This integrated unit stacks the battery cells in a blade layout, ensuring that every unit is perfectly assembled. With automated precision, the assembly line builds the battery modules and then encases them in a strong protective shell. These batteries are designed to withstand over 20 tons of pressure, making them not only fire resistant but also water resistant and to a large extent puncture proof as well, which ensures maximum safety for the vehicle and its occupants. The factory produces two types of battery units, the 59 kWh battery and the 79 kWh battery, both designed specifically for the B6 and the XEV 90, depending on the variants and the range and performance that Mahindra is going to offer across both these models. So it's in the body shop where we get to see the body in white, and that is pretty much what this entire assembly line over here is all about. Because over here we're seeing parts being stamped out, we're seeing individual components of the body coming together and finally being put together along this automated line to ensure that you've got unrivaled accuracy with every panel and everything being fitted with such precision. Mahindra has introduced India's first robotic closure fitment line, which is what does this. And by getting the humans out of the way and putting in robots to ensure that you've got this amazing level of fit and finish, it is something that brings out that upmarket quality of each of these machines. Add to that, Mahindra has also moved beyond traditional spot welding, and they're using an advanced laser brazing technology that marries the roof to the rest of the body, and it is something that ensures a stronger, more durable joint and also helps with the structural rigidity of the vehicle. Last but not the least, you've got the final assembly line. Now over here is where all these components come together. So the batteries that have been put together in the battery unit, the painted bodies after going from the body shop all the way getting dipped in paint and getting painted, they all come here into the final assembly area where everything then just gets put together. So this is a a brilliant lineup. You've got two lines is what we saw, and then the central line is where the finished product finally rolls down and goes in for a final bit of testing. Everything over here is scrutinized. So while the body and then the battery and the wheels and everything go on board, you've got robots doing the fitment of the glass panels, which is again something that's very new and something that is worth mentioning, because that also ensures a very high level of quality and precision with putting together these machines. We see the wheels go on, the interiors getting fitted out, the electric motor getting dropped in, and everything getting connected up, where the final vehicle is then rolled out and goes in for scrutiny in terms of the paint and final checks before it is then sent to the yard and eventually shipped out to be sold. So that is what you do get with this entire facility over here. And of course, we know that Mahindra is very committed to the electric vehicle space. The B6 and the XEV 9e are definitely doing a lot in terms of turning heads and getting eyeballs across the country. What we do know is that the B6 is going to be launched in a series of variants. So the base one, which is going to be the one, is going to get a 59 kilowatt hour battery pack and is going to retail for about 18.9 lakhs. The top end variant, which will get the 79 kilowatt hour battery pack, will retail for about 26.9 lakhs. And then you've got the XEV 9e, which starts at 21.9 lakhs and goes up to 30.5 lakhs. Now, these are all ex-showroom prices. We are still yet to get what the pricing is for all the variants out there. What we do know now is that the base variant and the top variant pricing, and Mahindra is targeting selling about 5,000 units a month of both of these combined, and I think that that's a very healthy target to have for the EV space. Personally, I feel the B6 is the one that's really going to see a lot of demand. It is something that is cutting edge, futuristic, looks great, drives absolutely wonderful, and is something that just blows your mind in terms of what Mahindra has managed to put together over here. Especially when you look at the fact, and what I mentioned earlier, is that this is a factory that was set up in 7 months. So they've gone from building a factory to rolling out their first set of vehicles in a span of 7 months. And that just shows you what Mahindra is capable of in not only shaping their own vision of bringing exciting products to the market, but also being ready to be a global player when it comes to EVs. And I think that this is just a sign of things to come. And Mahindra has definitely done a brilliant job in every bit and every step of the way of bringing these machines to life. And with that, we come to the end of the tour, where we've gotten to see how the BE6 and the XEV 9e are put together. That's the paint shop, the body shop, the battery assembly, and of course, the final assembly, where everything comes together to create these world-class products. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have any further questions, feel free to write in the comment section below. It's my promise and the MotorScribes promise that we answer every question that comes in on our channel.